Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a circle home button on your iPhone screen. First, open your iPhone settings app. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility, then select Touch. Within the touch settings, you'll find Assistive Touch. Tap on it and then toggle the switch to turn Assistive Touch on. A floating circular button will now appear on your screen, ready for customization. Once Assistive Touch is enabled, you can personalize its menu. Go back into the Assistive Touch settings and tap Customize Top-Level Menu. Here, you can add or remove icons, allowing for up to 8 different shortcuts. Tap on any icon to reassign its function from a comprehensive list of actions, making your virtual home button truly yours. To make the Assistive Touch button less intrusive, you can adjust its idle opacity. In the Assistive Touch settings, locate Idle Opacity. By default, it often fades to 40% when not in use. You can drag the slider to increase or decrease its transparency, from a subtle 15% to a fully visible 100%, ensuring it's always just right for you. Beyond basic functions, Assistive Touch allows for advanced customization. You can create custom gestures by tapping Create New Gesture and performing your desired tap or swipe. Additionally, assign specific actions to single tap, double tap, or long press interactions with the Assistive Touch button itself. This offers incredible flexibility for controlling your device. For more ways to enhance your life, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.